Hi guys, so today we've got this Ibiza FR. So this is the 1 litre 110, finished in the midnight black. So this particular model has full LED headlights. You have the 17-inch alloy wheels. You've got the rear privacy glass on there. So with the FR spec, you do have the rear diffuser at the back, giving it that nice sporty feel to it. So if I just go inside the car, you do get a nice specification as well with the FR. So you do have the sport seats, black with the red stitching. You have the leather steering wheel again with the flat bottom on there. Do you have auto lights, auto wipers? On the entertainment screen, you have sat nav, Bluetooth, digital radio, you have full link, so Apple CarPlay, which is what the screen's on now. So this is your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, depending on what phone you have. Then you also have cruise control, dual zone climate control, so you can set separate temperatures on either side of the car. That's shown on there. You have your set drive profile, so you can flick it to eco, normal or sports to either get a bit more performance or a bit more fuel economy from the vehicle. Because it's the 110, it is the 6-speed box. And as you can see, the mileage is just under 3,000 on there as well. So if you do have any questions about this car or any car we have in stock, just give us a call, drop us a message on Facebook, and we can see what we can do for you.